Hey everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to install and use Easy Mail, the app that lets you access all your email and social media accounts in one place. No more switching between multiple tabs. First, open the Microsoft Store on your PC. Now, type Easy Mail in the search box and press Enter. Click on the app named Easy Mail and hit the Install button. It'll start downloading and installing automatically. Once the installation is done, open the app. Now it's time to set up your accounts. Choose which accounts you want to connect, like Gmail, Outlook, or any other social media accounts. Then log in using your credentials. And that's it. You can now easily switch between multiple accounts from one place, fast, organized, and super convenient. So that's how you install and use Easy Mail on Windows. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tutorials.